guys, and welcome to this video. This video is what is inside of my makeup bag. So I have this really pretty pink makeup bag, and I am going to show you what exactly is in it. So I have all kinds of stuff in my makeup bag. I have lotion, and eyeshadow, and I have my absolute favorite thing, which is my headband, because you never know when a kitty is gonna need a headband. I also have some lip glosses by Ulta. Oh yes. Oh, I sure love my pink headband. It is my favorite thing to play with. I just love it so much. Favorite thing, which is my headband, because you never know when a kitty is gonna need a headband. I also have some lip glosses by Ulta. Oh yes. It is my favorite thing to play with. I just love it so much.